Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Redmi 12C and how to change the function of the power button. If you press the power button, the power menu will not appear. To turn off the phone, you need to press power and volume up buttons simultaneously. Now you can turn off or restart the phone. To change the power button function, go to Settings menu. I looked in the Quick Access toolbar to see if there is an icon for accessing the power menu, but there isn't. On the Settings menu, scroll down and press on Additional Settings. Now press on Gesture Shortcuts. Now press on Launch Google Assistant. Now toggle off the switch to change the function of the power button to allow the power menu to launch. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.